Well, I was hoping to bring more information about Sean Combs, but it's still a mystery of what's going on. Unfortunately for New York City, more violence had occurred. We had a passenger push in front of a Ford train in 125th Street, and we had an officer shot at a traffic stop in Queens. Both individuals had perished. Um, all the suspects are in custody, but it's been a very violent night in New York City, afternoon and evening. So hopefully we'll have more details on all three situations here later on.